Welcome to this short video of insertion sort algorithm simulation. You can see the algorithm execution and the output of the semi-sorted array at each outer iteration. For a more detailed view at insertion sorts algorithm and its complexity, please watch the full lesson. The link to that lesson is provided in the description below. We hope you enjoyed this video. We will continue to add more lessons and tutorials in our channel. If you want us to create a video on a specific topic, leave a comment and we will add it to our list. Subscribe and tell your friends. Always keep learning and keep creating.